Okay, so you're on a mission to get more news coverage for your business. Maybe your executive leadership team said that they are looking to get news coverage over a major announcement or a new initiative, and they've tasked you to do it. And you might not be comfortable on camera or wanting to do the media interviews. Now what? This is not uncommon. We definitely see people who are very natural and have a great easy time on camera. And then we see other people who would pretty much rather have a root canal than do some news interviews. And if you're falling into that category, no problem. We've got you covered. I have some easy tips that will help you get the news coverage that you need while keeping your comfort level in check. I'm Jennifer Vickery, a public relations strategist, and you're in the right place if you're looking to learn more information about how to get your business featured in the news. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to be the first to know when I upload a new video. So now on to your business. I recently had a chief marketing officer come to me saying that their executive team had a new mission and that their CEO really wanted to get some news coverage surrounding it. But the CMO themselves were really uncomfortable being on camera, and they wanted to ask how they could accomplish this. And I said, don't worry, we've got some really easy things that we can do that will keep your sanity at bay while getting the news coverage that you and your organization needs. The first tip is to find your teammates or customers. So basically phone a friend. You want to find people that can do the interviews for you. So if you're in the position of needing to get the news coverage but don't like being on camera, think about who might be a natural fit. So maybe your organization is doing something amazing for the community. Think about, is someone in community relations in your organization, or is there a volunteer or somebody in the community that's being affected by this that can do the interviews on your behalf. You really want to think about who would be a natural fit to the proximity of the situation and have them be the spokesperson so you don't have to. And it really works great for everybody in that regard, because those people that are closer to the situation sometimes are just, you can see the passion exude from them during these interviews, and it turns out really great. If you can't find somebody who is willing to do the interviews that's a natural fit, meaning they're part of the cause or the mission, you can maybe ask for volunteers within your organization and train someone to be the spokesperson during this media interview. We've seen that happen and still work out really nicely for the media. The point is that there are usually many people who can do the interview, but because of our fear about the situation, we get stuck and we can't think of those people normally when we're having so much fear ourselves. So by knowing that you can accomplish this way, by grabbing your teammates, essentially, you can get unstuck out of that situation. My second tip is to stick to print and radio. So usually if you're sticking to newspaper, print, or online or radio, the fear of having a rolling camera there sort of eases up. So yeah, you might have to do some talking. That might be more comfortable for you. Sometimes with print especially, a reporter might show up with a camera to take some still pictures, but there's no camera rolling, and that feels a little bit more comfortable to many people. And I'm particular, I have a client that uses this method. She really just wants us to get her on print and radio. She feels comfortable. She's happy with the results. We're happy because she is, and everybody wins. Let me know in the comments below if this applies to you. If you're in the camp, you're not so comfortable in front of the camera, and if you have any tips or tricks that might be helpful to you if you're in this situation. Okay, so my third tip is one of my favorites. So it's a tip to really send your information to online publications or online media outlets that'll pick up your announcement basically word for word. You might have to do a little research to find those publications that work for you, but once you do, you can send them your content. They'll pick up on it. You can find the link. You can then use that link on your social media for marketing purposes, distribute in many different ways, and it helps with your search engine optimization ranking. So win across the board. You really get a lot of ROI from this method, which maybe from The first glance at it, you might be thinking, wait, so that, that's an online publication that's just picking up my exact content. But if you look a little bit deeper, you can use that link for so many different reasons and ways and get a lot of SEO benefit. So get out there, get your business in the news, and go for it.